Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to be unboxing the Dripworks GardenBee stainless steel scoop. As gardeners ourselves, we always look for tools that can make our lives easier, and this scoop looks like a great addition to our gardening arsenal. GardenBee stainless steel scoop is made from, you guessed it, stainless steel. So you know it's going to be durable and rust resistant. It's perfect for scooping up everything from soil and compost to mulch and fertilizer. Let's get started with the unboxing. This scoop comes in a sturdy cardboard box. The scoop itself is well made and has a nice weight to it. We really like the comfortable grip design. The scoop is perfect for various gardening tasks. There are a few things we really like about this scoop. First, the stainless steel construction is going to hold up to years of use. Second, the comfortable grip design makes it easy to use, even for long periods of time. And finally, the size is perfect for scooping up a variety of materials. Overall, we're very impressed with the Dripworks Garden stainless steel scoop. It's a well-made, durable, and versatile tool that's perfect for any gardener. If you're looking for a new scoop to add to your gardening toolbox, we highly recommend checking out the GardenBee stainless steel scoop. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have any questions about the Dripworks GardenBee stainless steel scoop, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Goodbye.